Americans these days are strapped for cash. Everything has gotten more expensive, so we're doing what we can to help save money. Whether that's clipping coupons, comparison shopping, or buying things online that we might normally buy in person, we're doing it. And why? Because we know we can save money. And every little bit helps, whether it's buying back-to-school products, groceries, or even common household products. We want to save money. And we should, because we are smart shoppers, right? But despite many people being smart shoppers, one place they're not saving money is when they buy heating and cooling equipment. And why is this? Well, they're doing it the old way still, when there's a better way out there. You could go online to buy your HVAC equipment. On average, when a homeowner has a local contractor come out, they're overpaying by $4,000 to $7,000 to get a new system installed. And who has that kind of money lying around? I know I don't, and I'm betting you don't either. So come to HVACdirect.com to buy your equipment and we'll help you save money.